today's summit between President Park Geun-hye and King Salman, Seoul and Riyadh signed a deal to jointly invest into studying the prospect of building at least 2 of Korea's small 100,000 kilowatt nuclear reactors in Saudi Arabia. When the reactor construction
Korea's first state visit to Iran in 54 years was over and done within just 50 hours, but it could have hardly gone any better.
아울러 저는 한반도와 동북아 지역의 항구적 평화와 안정을 위한 열쇠는 한반도 평화.
As Minister Sushma Swaraj on Sunday met the Prime Minister of Bahrain Khalifa bin Salman Al Khalifa and Minister of Foreign Affairs of Saudi Adel bin Ahmed Al Jubair on Sunday.
Swaraj has used a shawl to cover her head and her hands. Images of Swaraj in pink sari and matching shawl, which gave an impression of a hijab, has gone viral and has fed a debate.
Concern for what happens. And thank you for this visit. We hope you will continue. Are interconnected and the first file is
the agenda of discussions during Mogherini's stay in Tehran. Top EU diplomats also scheduled to meet Iran's Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad Zarif. Mogherini will travel to Saudi Arabia following her trip to Iran.
A German minister has refused to wear a hijab during a visit to Saudi Arabia, saying women should have the same right to choose their clothing as men. Defense Minister First Lady Michelle Obama, who was condemned in Saudi Arabia when she went bareheaded on a visit with her husband last year. Saudi Arabia has been criticized for its attitude to women, who are not allowed to hold driving licenses. In 2013, Prince Charles and the Duchess of Cornwall visited Saudi Arabia, where they met Prince Khalid bin Bandar Al Saud. But as a member of the royal family, Camilla is not required to wear an abaya.
العلمانية تطورات الأوضاع في منطقة الشرق الأوسط والجهود المبذولة في مكافحة الإرهاب. حضر الاستقبال مساعد وزير الدفاع محمد العايش ورئيس هيئة الأركان العامة الفريق أول ركن عبد الرحمن البنيان والمستشار في الديوان الملكية